It's been 4 months since the release of ChatGPT, and not even a single YouTuber has covered this way of making money. I've watched every single video about making money with ChatGPT, and none of them have covered this way of making money. It's the easiest method of them all. It's so easy even a chimpanzee can do it. As no one covered this method, I took matters into my own hands because
somebody had to do it. I am the chosen one.
I made $15 per review and $1,150 in total using GPT-4 in 14 days. Here's how I did it, and the best part is you can do it too. The website I picked was Online Book Club, and as the name says, you get to review books and books only. It doesn't matter if you are not the person who reads 69 books a year, and the only human touch you ever had was with your grandma. You can still earn money using GPT-4. But before we start, let me tell you, this website is and you have to be really careful at every step, or you won't get a penny. So let me guide you to success. This website lets you choose the book you want to read, and you will be paid anywhere between $5 to $60 after you review it. And no, this site doesn't have books like Harry Potter or 50 Shades of Grey. Here you can only find books you've never heard of. So you had to do some work before, but now I will just use GPT-4 to do the work for me. Here, as you can see, I can easily make $15 per review, but reaching this level was a pain in the ass. Before reviewing, you have to make an account first, and unless you are a 5-year-old watching this video on your grandma's mobile, there's no need to show you how to make one. After you've made your account will look something like this. You might not see these gigantic numbers or no numbers at all, and that's because you have to review one book at first so they can test if you're good enough for their website. Before you start reviewing, you must make some changes in your preference section, and this is important, so follow it carefully. Here, leave the format as it is. You need a mobile number to sign up, so it will be added by default. Make sure you give the correct number because it cannot be changed later. Here, enter your PayPal email, and yes, you have the option to change it later. Now here comes the important part. Make sure you can leave Amazon reviews, and if not, then you must select the no option. Now click submit, and your desired changes are made. Now comes the second most important stuff. Go to the guidelines and read it really carefully, and make sure you understand everything, especially these points. In case you don't have the time to go through all this nonsense, I will cover it for you in the end. Now that's all you need to know. Let's start making some cash. Go to the select page and select only the book that's termed as a free book. You can choose other books as well, but you will need an Amazon Kindle account for that. So it's better to go with the free option. Select the book, go down to the bottom and click review this book, select the format, and then choose the submit format. Now download the file. I will link the ebook reader I'm using in the description. Now confirm that you've downloaded the copy of the ebook. Now go back to the update tab, and select I've finished reading the book. You don't have to read the book, as GPT-4 will do it for us. And again, click the Go Back to Update tab. Now comes the main stuff. Click the link given to you and you will be redirected to the reviewing page. Open Google and type the name of the book followed by book review. Now search for Online Book Club reviews and open a few in a new tab. Now copy these reviews and paste them into ChatGPT. I've already done it, as it takes some time, but don't worry, it's a few-minute job. After copy-pasting all the reviews, ask ChatGPT to write a new review for you. It's important to note that the review should contain more than 400 words and 5 paragraphs, or else it will be rejected. You can check how many words your review has by copy-pasting it on Word Counter. If all the conditions are satisfied, just go back and paste the review. Now follow these instructions carefully, or else your review will not be accepted. Make the title of the book italic. For that, just put an opening bracket followed by the letter I and then a closing bracket. You also have to make the book rating bold. For that, follow the same step. Just replace the letter I with the letter B. Now select the rating out of 4 and also out of 5. Now click Save as Draft and Preview, then select Submit Final Review. Make sure everything is correct because you cannot edit it later. Now click Confirm. Now comes the important part. Open the ebook and copy-paste the exact book in ChatGPT, and do it for around 6 to 7 pages. This is the only part that requires some work. After this step, ask ChatGPT to find grammar mistakes in the book. If there are any, then copy them, and if there are not, leave it as it is. After copying the mistakes, go back and choose the number of typos present in the book. and then copy and paste the typo in this box. Now scroll to the bottom and submit the rating. Copy the first question you see and paste it into chat. After the answer is generated, go back and choose the option accordingly. Repeat the step for the second question as well. Also, repeat it for the third question. Now that's all you had to do. Now click submit, then click confirm. Now everything is over and you can relax now. If you did everything correctly, you will be getting your money in few days.